We're pretty hot from our morning hike, but the hammocks are in the shade right now. So a lot of these sites were more out in the open and just had the short little scrubby bushes around. Thank you, Amy. But there are a few that have these big trees where you could actually hang your hammocks. So, nice campground. Definitely gets hot in the afternoon, but we just kind of leave. So we are at a Starbucks in Santa Fe, and all the seating's outdoors, which is pretty cool. We desperately needed some Wi-Fi and electricity, so they do have outlets, which are very nice. And since we're sitting in the shade here and it's breezy, it feels really good. It's been really hot out in the sun, but this is a perfect place to hang out, so we're pretty happy with this. Because of course we can't be without our technology for too long. This is such an interesting little shop in Santa Fe. All sorts of metal art. It's called Camino Real. Look at that horse. Isn't that amazing? It's very interesting. Peacocks. They blow in the wind. Pretty creative. They have some amazing things here, but they're a little pricey. That's cute. Oh, it's another hammock. Tonight we are having 2 of these rice medleys and some canned chicken and a jar of artichoke hearts. Hopefully that will be good. We just got back from hiking this morning on the sunny mesa top, and then we were shopping in Santa Fe. But it's really hot and sunny here, so we're and a little bit higher altitude, so we're pretty worn out. So hopefully this will taste good. And then we're thinking about doing the Falls Trail. We just found out that the visitor center in the canyon is open until 8, but it's already almost 5, so we'll see if we have time to eat, drive down there, and hike the trail. But you can take your car down in the canyon after 3 p.m. right now, so that will make it faster than waiting for the shuttle. Did I surprise you?
No.
So it's nice, the picnic tables
You're
in the
either
shade.
a bunny rabbit or a black bear.
I was one of those deadly bunny rabbits.
They're a problem.
How's the cooking coming?